population change map from 2020 to 2023. Over the past, 5 years now, wow, things have changed quite a bit. One of those big ones was especially during this time period, it seemed like a lot of people were moving around. And this map kind of shows you where that is. The people in Idaho, Utah, and Montana, Florida, they're not crazy. They have actually had massive population growths, Texas as well, even in places like Arizona and Tennessee. Now, most of the country is in this plus or minus 1%, which is essentially negligent. Very few places in the country have actually had huge drops in population or huge growth in population. But there has been more concentration in a lot of different cities like San Antonio, Austin, and Dallas. This map is also really deceptive though, because in a lot of these places where their populations are really small, a 10% jump one direction or another might mean 100 people. For instance, Susanville, right here in California. There's hardly anyone in Susanville. So a 10% decrease in population, what does that even mean? They just emptied out some of their jails probably? Whereas there are places where a plus 10% is actually a ton, because places like San Antonio, which already have millions of people in them, having 10% more people in a city of several million people is crazy.